Welcome back, everybody. The S&P is making a move today. So far, we broke above the 50 EMA. You can see this line right here. We broke above this line. It was our resistance. Now let's see if we can close this daily candle above this trend line, because if we close above this one, the daily candle, this will be very bullish for the S&P and also for crypto. As you know, Bitcoin is very correlated with the S&P 500 as well. The next resistance, if we can break that one, is the 200 EMA right here in the 2965-ish area, falls in line with this closing of the bodies right here. You can see this one, this area will be our next resistance, 29.36. We also have a resistance 28.89, but so far it looks good. As long as we're holding above it, this is very good. Now I want to talk about a Binance coin looking like he's leading the way. First, I want to show you the volume, the daily volume, okay, of Binance coin. You can see this is the BNB volume. You see is 110 million. Okay, today it flipped Chainlink. Chainlink was much above it in the previous days, but Binance is today leading the market with a very nice volume. Now let's have a look on the chart, shall we? Binance coin. Now Binance coin, by the way, if you trade on Binance, this is very good coin to hold because it's reducing the 25% of your trading fees on the exchange. So that's pretty good. Okay, now let me remove all this crap here so you will understand. Now we broke above, you can see the 50 EMA on the daily, the BNB. You can see we're having already a nice daily move on Binance, and we broke this last resistance right here. You can see where we consolidated here, we got rejected, and then we moved back. In the past 4 days, it's making a really nice move. Now our next resistance with the 200 EMA right here, around 17.5, and also very close to this trading area. This is the BNB coin. Now I took a trade right here. It's quite risky, guys, and it's against the rules to take this kind of trade. I took a trade right here. This is buying at resistance, basically. I bought at resistance. This is very risky because there is a lot of downside than at the upper side. Risk-reward ratio is very bad when you buy at resistance. That's why I'm using my trading capital, very small capital, just to do some quick scalps, okay? But this is not a smart trade, okay? This is a very risky trade to buy at resistance, but it's better, much better to buy on the close of the 4-hour candle. You can see when we close above right here, okay? Now this candle is not over, it could reverse, it could still reverse, but if we close like that, this will be a good indication that we're gonna continue higher, okay? Nothing is guaranteed, but this is a better play to buy the closing of the 4-hour candle above this previous resistance. This will be much better because the risk reward is much better. Okay, guys. Now let's have a look. Let's have a look also. You can see it looks very good. It went for a nice run. Then we got a nice higher low right here. You can see the higher low we made here. Nice higher low, nice bottom fill formation, and then we pop from it. Also, we got a bounce from the EMAs. Okay, you can see we had a little close on the EMA. Now let's have a look on the Ichi cloud. Ichi cloud, what it's telling us, way above the Ichi cloud. Now our next resistance, you can see we are right here. This is our next resistance area where we have this trading zone right here. If we can cross above it, the next area, in my opinion, will be around here, someplace around the $18. All right, people. Now let's have a look on the BTC chart. Binance versus BTC. Remove the Ichi cloud. Okay, now you can see on the Bitcoin we're getting close to this area. This is the resistance we need to watch. This area, okay, for our next pullback. If we're gonna get a pullback, you know, the current market is crazy, people, crazy. And I wanted to show you another thing. What was that? The Bitcoin dominance. Let's have a look on the Bitcoin dominance, because the Bitcoin dominance, it's indicator to show us when we're gonna get a nice rally in altcoin. Now so far it's holding. You can see it's holding. We needed to break down. We needed to break down in order for it to allow the altcoins to move up. Now you can see when we topped out here. Okay, that was when Chainlink popped some serious move right here on the breakdown here. Chainlink pop a serious move and blew all the market. Now you can see lately every other day you see a different altcoin popping. Now this could signify the beginning of an altcoin market. Now what do you think about it? Do you think we're gonna get closer to the alt season? Where do you think you're gonna go? And let's have a quick look on Bitcoin, shall we? Let's have a quick look on Bitcoin. Now you can see, let's have a look here, remove that one. The EMA, the 50 EMA that got us rejected a couple of times, okay, this is where we need to watch. If Bitcoin can climb its creepy's head above this little trend line, okay, this EMA, this is bullish, people. We can make a higher high above the EMA and continue towards the 200 EMA. This will be hard to tackle. Okay, it lies around the 8K. This will be a serious resistance. But if we're going to cross the 50 EMA, we have another $800 up. So this will be explosive for the altcoin. All right, people? Tell me what you think down below. Subscribe to the channel. Give a like. Don't be shy. Have a wonderful day. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.